And when you are sick, that time you think about healing. Nourish your joy, nourish your health is every breath. Every day when you practice the movements combined with the breathing, and then you're smiling, and then that kind of breathing brings you healing. The most important thing is the body. And when you are sick, you want to find doctors, you go to hospital, and that time you think about healing. But for me, the time journey to healing is not wait until you are sick. When you have body, the way nourish your joy, nourish your health is every breath, every day. The breathing, when you breathe with the energy of compassion, energy of love, energy of mindfulness, that will bring some different energy. That's why you can release the stress and healing and have calmness for the body. And that kind of breathing brings you healing. So every day when you practice the movement combined with the breathing, and then you're smiling, and then that kind of breathing brings you healing. So bring you the vitality, we call it vitality. That's why Qi is vitality, Qi is the energy, Qi is mindful breathing, Qi is fresh air. That is every day you can generate. The first movement, shaking body, bouncing legs and toes, okay? So you may stand loose or two legs parallel together, and then shake your hands, all right? And then you jump, okay? So allow yourself to jump and bounce in your legs and your toes. Shake your hands and shoulders. Shake it off, breathe in. Out, shake it off all anxieties and sorrows. Stress to the earth, breathe in. Out. In. Out. In. Out. Relax your legs. Relax your hands. In. Out. That's so wonderful. Open your hands. Inhale deep. Exhale. Slow. You feel your 2 feet. Feel your heartbeat. One hand on your lower abdomen, another hand outside. And then just massage with the clockwise direction, okay? Press a little bit. Breathe in. Allow your lower abdomen, your stomach to release tensions. Release the stress from your belly. You can improve your digestive system when you do this often, okay? And then you can massage your hands, 2 palms together. Then side by side, you may allow your 2 hands to release tension from your skin, your palms. And then you can put your hands on your face, okay? Allow your skin to relax. Release the stress and tension from your face. Breathe in. And then in. Use your 2 hands, massage your lower back, and go down your 2 legs. Go to front so you can massage 3 rounds like that. Allow all the muscle from your back, your legs, your hips to release tension, okay? Circulate the blood also. Breathe in. That's so wonderful. Open your palms, breathe in deep. Out. Relax my body.